I just want to tell you about this collapsible coffee filter here. I'm going to show you how to use it. I am actually not a coffee drinker myself, but my husband is. We are planning an upcoming trip. One of the hotels that we're staying in doesn't have a coffee maker in the room. So I found this on Amazon. I also found the coffee on Amazon and the filters. I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to do it with this disposable cup because I'm not going to bring ceramic cups with me. I'm going to bring these. So you just place it on top like this and add this filter. And then 2 tablespoons is equivalent to 1 scoop of coffee. I'm just going to check and see where it's coming. Okay. Oh, okay, there's still... Oh yeah, see, there it is. Making coffee. Cool. That's it. Done. I'm going to test it out. Even though I'm not really much of a coffee drinker, I know decent coffee when I taste it. I like stevia. I also get this from Amazon, this SweetLeaf stevia. So I'm just going to put some in there. Add some cream. Let's do the taste test here. Oh wow, that's really good. I may switch from tea drinking to coffee drinking. That was really good. Oh, I love this. I give it 5 stars.